all I've achieved today is I've took the carburettor off of my Land Rover, put it on this one, so we have two unrunning Land Rovers now. I'm quite proud of myself. Hi guys and dolls, I'm finally going to make a start on Dawn's Project Land Rover. So it's sat here for a little while now, not doing anything to it. First job is we're going to open the bonnet, see what we got to work with, and charge the battery up, whack a battery on, see if any wires are going to go up in smoke when we put power to her. Crank the engine over a little bit with by hand with some oil down it, try and make sure everything's all nice and free, and then if I remember correctly, I did steal the carburettor off this about 6 years ago and put it on my Land Rover, so I might, just for today, put it back on and see how it goes. So hopefully this will be a video of us taking a Land Rover that's not moved for 17 years, and by the end of the video we should have the engine running. Yeah. Right, let's get this bonnet open. Right, there we go, that's the engine in all its glory. That's where I nicked the carburettor. Some funky leads on there from yesteryear. All in all, nothing's jumping out at me being missing. So we'll get this old battery off, see if it's serviceable. Throw another one on just for now, and I'll load nuts and bolts there. Here's one. It's the joys of looking underneath the hood. A few cobwebs down here as well. God, look at that. Poor old girl. You see at one point all the block seems to have been painted up. So what my dad said was about before he bought it, it belonged to a college, and they used to just literally dismantle it, paint it up and put it back together again, then the following year they'd do the same and the same and the same. So it was quite a well maintained Land Rover until it fell into my father's hands. Yeah, let's see. Make sure the keys also work in the ignition barrel. It might be all jammed up, so we'll have a little look over there. Right, let's see what key goes in there. Oh. As I thought, that battery's completely dead. I don't know why I turned the key, but I just want to make sure that the barrel hasn't jammed up, because it was left outside in this open state for 17 years. So but the barrel seems to turn all freely, so we'll whack some power onto it, see if we get ignition lights and stuff, so we get power through the wiring, and I hope that then the wiring goes up. So here we go. Okay, progress report. What have I done? I have got some oil down where the spark plugs used to be, took the spark plugs out, cranked it over by hand, and put spark plugs back in. Try to crank her over again, and because obviously the oil, some oil in there still, and the compression's well high. So now I try and flick it on the starter motor, and yeah, it's spinning over right now. So I'll show her spinning. That's sound all free and nice. That's cool. So next stage now is I'm going to steal the carburettor off my Land Rover, whack it on this one, chuck some petrol down, and hopefully it should all fire up. I've checked the oil. The oil don't look, well, it won't like tar on the dipstick. We will do an oil change, but I literally just want to fire up, make sure everything is all okay in case I need to do any more engine work rather than a service. So far so good. Let's go take some bits off my poor old Land Rover. Okay guys, it didn't go as planned. I was hoping to get her running. As I said earlier, I took the spark plugs out, threw a little bit of oil down there. With the spark plugs out, she was cranking over absolutely fine. As soon as I put the spark plugs back in, the starter motor is really struggling. So I don't know if it's sat for 17 years, something might have broken down. The earths all look good. The battery's connected up now. As you can see, beautiful bright dash lights, and surprise, surprise, the dash lights don't work on there, but all the headlights and stuff are all working, all nice and shiny. But she won't, she's clicking when I doing that lovely sound. Oh, you ain't got enough amps going to crank that start motor over. So that's what the spark plug's in. So I'm asking for good advice. If you can leave us comments, just try and hint me in the right way. I mean, maybe at first I thought I put a bit too much oil down, and maybe that was causing a bit of raising the compression up stupidly high, so it wouldn't crank over. Not much going on really when I was cranking over the plugs out. So put the plugs back in, start turning them over by hand with the hand starter, and I'll show you another little quirk. So I had to remove the NATO tow hook because the little design flaw here was my dad or whoever had it beforehand put it there and trying to turn the starter handle around, it weren't going anywhere. I took the valve cover off, I checked all the valves, they were all spot on to be fair, and which was quite shocking. So yeah, all the valve clearances are fine, because thinking maybe a valve was not opening when it should do, causing a bit crazy compression. So yeah, advice, any ideas? I've got a jump lead straight on the starter motor, and then if I whack it on the positive of the battery, she's not really spinning over. So I mean, the battery is fully charged, I'll charge it up again. I've tried 2 charge batteries, and I'll clean up some earths and stuff, but yeah. So if you've got any advice, drop us a comment. Follow us on subscribe to Tatty Car Travels to see if we actually get this thing going. Our next video may be the engine running, or it may be a for sale post, but we'll see. All I've achieved today is I've took the carburetor off of my Land Rover, put it on this one, so we have 2 unrunning Land Rovers now. I'm quite proud of myself. Alright, cheers guys, see you later.
Oh baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told.